and welcome back or welcome to my channel and my videos. Today we are going to go into how to make a towel turban using the Etsy pattern or sewing pattern that's in my Etsy shop now that you can go buy and help support me. So let's get into this video because I'm really awkward and intros are never something amazing on my channel. Oh, and I'm out by the way, if you don't know already. But let's dive into this really quick, like 15-minute project that you can do yourself at home.
To start out, you're going to assemble your printable pattern, which you can get in my Etsy shop. There's 5 pages and it looks like this when you put it together. Then you're going to want to cut it out, making sure you don't cut through any of the markings. Then you're going to take your pattern and cut out your fabric. If you have longer hair, you can just extend this pattern a little bit on the end to accommodate. I have kind of a medium length, as you saw in the beginning of the video, so this works great for my hair type and there's still lots of space left. You're going to want to use a towel-like fabric. You could use a microfiber or regular toweling fabric. You could also go with like a silk or satin if you want to go for like that hairdresser glamorous towel turban. Since this fabric is quite thick, you might want to cut one layer and then cut the second layer. So you should have 2 of these weird shaped pieces. And we're gonna sew along that top curve, leaving that bottom straight edge, or side straight edge, open later to add elastic. Now you're going to take your 5-inch elastic loop and fold it in half to create the loop, and then you're going to shove the raw edges in between the 2 sides of that flat side edge, and then sew that in place. Now the next step is optional. You're going to take a 90 centimeter length of elastic, 90 centimeters, and you're going to zigzag it, the 2 ends together so they overlap to create one big loop, and then you're going to stretch and sew that around the bottom. Now if you don't want to add elastic, just hem the bottom as normal and you'll be all done. But then we're gonna zigzag that stretched on elastic and then fold it over again to seal it in. Now when I did this the first time, I accidentally did it on the wrong way by adding it to the right side and then folding in. You're going to want to add it to the wrong side so that when you fold it in again to the wrong side, it's concealed. And here I'm just showing you what the right way looks like and what the wrong way looks like. And the last step is to add your button to the front. You're going to want to use about an inch wide diameter button, and you're just going to sew it on with a simple stitch with your needle and thread. And now your towel turban's done. Let's see how it looks.
It's a pretty straightforward pattern, and I hope you enjoyed this video. It's my first like sewing pattern that I've released. It's a very small pattern because it's only 5 pages, but it's still big for me because it was kind of my first jump into making printable patterns for you, and I plan to make a few this year. And if you want to stick around and watch my videos, see everything that's going on, you can follow me on Instagram at MOutShines, or you can subscribe here on YouTube and hit that notification bell to be notified when I post a new video, because they typically go out on Fridays, but you never know sometimes. Well, that's everything from me today. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.